What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Super Hendrix. I'm back with another video, man. Hey, word on the street, man. 6ix9ine DM Lil Nas X. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. I kind of feel good about this because somebody trolling the troll. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Even if it ain't true, I'm glad somebody trolling him because he been trolling everybody. We got King Von t-shirts. He been clowning people in public. Like, he clowned me. Like, he needed this. Like, he needed somebody to troll him, bro. And I'm glad it was somebody like him. You know what I'm saying? Not no gangster or like no rapper or nobody. Somebody who just, you wouldn't even think like somebody else like this type of guy to troll him. But it's so funny. Well, we finally got this video, man. Like, he deserved to be trolled, bro. Can I zoom in on this? And I cannot zoom on it. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Shout out to XXL too, by the way. Make squad mandatory. Ain't no squad. Look at 6ix9ine. It say, yo, gonna be in your city soon. What you doing? Laugh out loud. I ain't gonna lie. I was hoping this was true though, but he showed the DMs or whatever. But I was hoping this was true. I was hoping this was true. Look what 6ix9ine put. 6ix9ine, he said Lil Nas X into the chat. I ain't gonna lie, it would have been funny if it was true though, y'all. But we finna scroll down and look at this 6ix9ine response. I knew it wasn't true, but I'm like, dang, we need some. We needed this. We needed this. This was big, man.
Before this shit even start, we're gonna nip this shit in the. It's my gram right here. 6ix9ine, this my account. Let's go. Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. Look. Stop playing with me.
But somebody was saying he deleted the message, but I think he sent him a message, but he never accepted it. So I think that's what happened. I think if like you check your messages requests on Instagram, and if somebody first time messages you and you're not friends or something like that, it's gonna pop up in that, and you gotta either accept it or you could decline it or delete it. So I'm guessing he never saw the message or whatever. But it's kind of funny though, cause somebody trolling the troll. You get what I'm saying? So that was funny, bro. But even though it wasn't true, I kind of wished it was true. I know a lot of us wish it was true because he been tripping, man. He won't let King Von rest in peace. He keep clowning people. Just chill out, bro. Just relax, bro. Your time gonna come. Yeah, your time gonna come when TMZ report rapper 6ix9ine such and such. So hey, you know what I'm saying? That's it for the video though, man. Just a quick little video, man. Tell for cookout, grandma, your granddad, your mom, your dad, your sister, nephew, side feature, aunts, let them know I dropped another video. It's your boy Super Hendrix, you know. So